Welcome. It's Holly Billabono with the Selle Natural course. Glad you're considering this as an option. It's really essential. It's going to help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls that happen to many people in the natural and organic products industry. There are challenges all along the way, but if you can address these incredibly important milestones as you move ahead with your business, whether you're a startup or you've been in business for years, these are the essential pieces of knowledge that you really need to avoid obstacles, challenges, and even legal proceedings in some cases. So this course, Selle Natural, is going to walk you through all of the essential components of legal compliance. So we talk about good manufacturing practices, GMPs, not only for you, but for your entire team and how to put them together and what you need to focus on. We talk about labeling laws. What are the words and phrases that you can and those that you cannot use to be FDA compliant? We talk about the USDA and the term certified organic, as well as many other terms and roles that you need to be aware of when you hire for people to help you build your, product development, marketing, sales, manufacturing, all the different components of your natural products business. We talk about insurance. I walk you through a lot of the things that I learned trial and error over my 30 years as an herbalist. So this is really key for herbalists, for skincare companies, um, for any sort of, especially food and beverage related, but also skin and cosmetics related, small to medium-sized business where you have the unfortunate opportunity to be sued because you've done something that's not compliant or something that's not safe or something that's not hygienic. So this course is online. It's at your own pace. You can watch it over and over again. You can watch it whenever you want. And definitely feel free to email me after you've enrolled because I am here to answer questions and help as you go through this learning process, as we all do, for running a natural or organics product business.